Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. We're starting off our show here on the western coast of Finland, along the Bay of Bothnia. You know, rising seawaters is happening everywhere globally, threatening coastal cities. But you know, the coastal city that you see behind me of Vasa is hoping to change all that by actually embracing the efforts of the entire region and staying ahead of the curve by becoming a global green energy hub. Let's take a look. Sea level rise is occurring across the globe, and yet there are so many other environmental challenges facing cities due to climate change, including the city of Vasa, Finland. But according to Vasa's mayor, this small city has found a way to have a global impact on our green energy future.
I want the world to look at Vasa as the energy transition locomotive of Europe. And actually I think we can also be a big part in solving the climate issues globally.
In fact, the high energy solutions being discovered in this one city are now present in the electricity grids of every country in the world. This is due to great minds in energy technology being attracted to Vasa to be a part of what the mayor calls the Vasa Energy Cluster.
Vasa Energy Cluster represents over 180 companies, and several of them are global market leaders like Wärtsilä, Cyient, ABB, Hitachi and Danfoss. And what do we expect to achieve by growing this energy cluster? We expect to be the first city on the Bothnian Bay that will be carbon neutral even during this decade.
In June 2022, Wärtsilä opened its Sustainable Technology Hub here in Vasa, with its purpose to advance the global decarbonization of the marine and energy industries by fostering innovation, collaboration, and green technologies to power our future.
The vision of Wärtsilä is to enable sustainable societies through innovation in technology and services. For the energy sector, we provide solutions like flexible engine power plants, energy storage, and optimization technologies for power systems. For the marine sector, we're providing ship engines, propulsion systems, and all kinds of marine technology. Here is now where we work on the futures for tomorrow, working on sustainable fuels and all the different technologies that's going to provide us a carbon-free energy sector in the future.
Cyient, a long-term partner delivering intelligent engineering solutions to Wärtsilä, was selected as one of 8 companies acknowledged as technology partners of the Sustainable Technology Hub for the application of new technologies to solve global energy problems.
At Cyient, we believe that technology itself can reduce carbon and can reduce emissions by 30%. And 30% is a big number which can be achieved in a relatively short period in time. We bring to the table innovation, we bring to the table collaboration and the application of technology. And by applying technology in innovative and imaginative ways, we have done more than 30 projects focused on hydrogen, on ammonia, on carbon capture. We have worked on 450 waste-to-energy projects, and bringing technology and applying technology urgently and expediently, we can really bring down emissions by a significant number.
Collaboration and partnerships is really important to us as it brings us new ideas. And here we have the key partners. Cyient is one of them. It's experts in this balance of plant systems, so fuel supply system, cooling systems and things like this. So we use them a lot for designing the auxiliary systems for our power plants and ships.
Marine engine systems in particular are being helped by the energy research underway here. At any one time, nearly 100,000 ships are at sea worldwide, as shown on this map, for which sustainable fuels like hydrogen, methanol, or ammonia could make a huge difference. Right now, flexible fuel technology being tested in this very hub is having a significant impact to decarbonize today's shipping.
Every third ship has some kind of Wärtsilä technology, either engines or propulsion system. Out of those, about 1/3 are connected to our system. So on this map you see everything that's orange is the ships around the world that are connected to our systems.
Through our partnership with Cyient, we are proving that the marine sector can use alternative fuels efficiently. In this case, we're proving the feasibility of hydrogen as an alternative fuel for the marine sector. Together, we're designing a sustainable tomorrow.
Flexible power generation is necessary to fully decarbonize the global energy sector, and it's critical that these renewable energy solutions are future-proof and ready to run on sustainable fuels.
Well, here we are now future-proofing the solutions to run on sustainable fuel, which is the key to make the whole system fully carbon-free.
You know, all cities want their citizens to be happy, and Finland was named the happiest country in the world, according to the UN's World Happiness Report. Well, the city of Vasa wants to be a part of that goal. It is environmentally committed, and it's a happy place where people work globally but are living this close to nature. I'm John Holden. Thanks for watching.